Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I've done my easy no makeup look. It takes me like 10 minutes or less to do this look depending on how much time I have. So this is probably the least amount of products I ever use for a makeup routine, but it looks pretty full coverage to me. I have under 10 products on my face and I don't have any foundation on, and it really feels like I'm not wearing any makeup. If you like today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and please let me know down below if you have any other video suggestions. I would love to hear what you want to see more of. So if you'd like to see how I got this quick look today, then keep on watching. Oh, also I got a new tattoo on my hand. It says gratitude. And I got another one here. It says light from within. My babies. Okay, first I always start with an eye cream and a moisturizer. So today I'm using the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream and the Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. Next I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. You can use any highlighting cream. I'm just using this one because I'm obsessed with it right now, but I'm just putting it on the high points of my face. I'm not really sure if this is a primer. I don't know what it exactly is, but anything that gives you glow you can put on. And just taking my Morphe sponge to blend that out. And I find on the days when I'm wearing no makeup, whenever I use a liquid highlighter, it looks a lot more natural than having a powder highlight on. I am going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. This is in the shade, oh, the shade's rubbed off, but any dark shade of concealer can be used for a cream contour, or I guess liquid contour. I find that it actually does give a bit more coverage. I love to use a darker concealer in the areas that I would normally contour. Just putting on literally the lightest amount ever and then going in with my Morphe sponge to blend that out. And this warms up the face a lot too, which in summer is nice because my face is always going to be a lot lighter than my body because I wear sunscreen every single day. So it is a lot harder for my face to get a tan, whereas my body just tans really easy. So you can see already that it adds a decent amount of coverage to my face because it is a concealer rather than just going in with a liquid contour or a cream contour. The concealer just gives a little bit more coverage. Next, going in with concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Light Sand. I'm just going to be placing this directly under my eye, a little bit on the outside of my eye to create the illusion of my eye being lifted, a little bit on the sides of the nose just because I get redness there, and then covering any blemishes that I have at the moment or any other areas that I get redness. And again, using my sponge to blend that out. So you can see putting the concealer on the corner of my eye lifting outwards really gives that effect that your eye is lifted, like this eye compared to this eye. I don't know if you can notice the difference, but I notice it looks a lot more lifted and brighter underneath. And then with the remainder that's on my sponge, I'll just go over my eyelids. And then using my Airspun powder, I'm just going to be taking the tiniest amount on the back of a beauty sponge and pressing that under my eyes. Also, I always make sure that my beauty sponge is damp just because I feel like it absorbs powder, and then when you press it on your skin, having a damp beauty blender just almost melts the powder into your makeup. Okay, so then I'll just take one more dip and then I'll just go over my entire face with that. Next is my eyebrows. So when I do my eyebrows, when I'm going out quickly, I don't have time to fill them in, so I'll just use the Got2b Glued spiking gel, and then I'll just take a spoolie. I find that brushing them up like this when I don't have any product in, like it's just the glue, it really creates the laminated look. It looks a lot better. I've tried filling it in before and then using this, and A, it just smears the product around, and B, it doesn't look as natural as this does. And if there is any sparse areas I'm not happy with, like right in the front here, I will just take a pencil. This is just the NYX brow pencil in the shade Taupe. I usually use Espresso. I tried buying this one just to see. I mean, it works, but I prefer a darker shade. And then next I'm going in with blush. I'm just using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in the shade Peachy Love. This is my #1. And I just like to focus this on the backs of the cheekbones. Again, I don't know if you can tell, but when I look at it, this side just looks like down and dull. This side just looks like more lifted and pretty. And then always a little bit over my nose. Lately, since it is mandatory to wear masks everywhere, I do put on mascara just because this part of my face is covered so you can see my eyes, so I like them to look bright and open. I'm just using my Loreal Telescopic mascara. So I have a lash lift, and yesterday I put on falsies, and I low-key feel like I ruined my lift by putting on lashes. So some of them just look a little wonky. If you ever mess up on mascara like I do almost every day, I'm pretty sure everyone knows this trick, but if you don't, I have a little hack for you. You can use any spoolie. You wait till the mascara is dry and then you take your spoolie and you literally just like brush and it goes away. And I do the same on my lid. I'll just brush over. Okay, so that is all I do for my face. Super quick and easy and without foundation. I mean, the Charlotte Tilbury does have a little coverage, I want to say, but really not much. Like, it's more of just a glow. Now moving on to lips, I usually just use a lip liner and then my lip injection gloss. The lip liner I'm using today is the Kylie lip liner in Au Naturel. This came with her lip blush, so I'm not sure if you can buy it on its own. Actually, you can't even buy any of her cosmetics right now because her website, I don't know if it's still down actually, but for the last like 2 weeks it said something's coming and you can't even shop. So I line my lips just like that, and then I will just use my lip injection gloss. And then I am good to go. Okay, so that is all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any other video recommendations for me, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear what you would like to see more of. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.